Friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel schoolquiz.com. As you know, my name is Danish Agarwal. As we have started with our chapter that is matter around us pure? Is matter around us pure? Till now we have covered what is pure substance, what are the classifications of pure substance, what is an element and what is a compound. Today we will discuss what is a mixture and its types. So let's start. First of all, chapter number 2 is matter around us pure. Is matter around us pure? So today we will discuss what is a mixture. So first of all, we will take a brief introduction. That is, first one is what is a pure substance, which is composed of only one type of particles, and it can be classified as pure substance, or we can say that mixture, or we can say that it is a impure substance. Pure substance can be classified as elements and compounds. We have already discussed what are the elements and what are compounds. Elements can further classified as metals, non-metals, and metalloids. We have also covered that topic, that is what are elements and what are its types, and we have already discussed what are compounds. Now we will discuss what is a mixture. As we talked about, that is what was compound. Compound was when two or more elements combined in a fixed ratio, and when the ratio is not fixed, it becomes mixture. So what is a mixture? It consists of two or more than two or more than two it consists of two or more than two types of particles which can combine in any ratio. But whereas in compound the ratio was fixed, but in the mixture the ratio was not fixed. If we talk that if you like eat bhujia, in bhujia is what? Bhujia is a mixture. There are like peanuts. Okay, so their composition is not fixed. If we talk about like milk, we talk about tea, these all are mixtures. As we know, milk is a impure substance. Or we can say that it is a mixture. As we know, that is milk is composed of proteins, fats. So it can also classified as mixtures. So there are two types of mixtures. First one was homogeneous mixture, and other one was heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. As the name indicates, homogeneous. Homo means same. Whereas hetero means different. So we will discuss one by one what is a homogeneous mixture. What is a homogeneous mixture? What is a homogeneous mixture? First of all, we will discuss what is a homogeneous mixture. A mixture in which what is a homogeneous mixture? A mixture in which the constituents are uniformly. A mixture in which the constituents are uniformly distributed throughout. distributed, uniformly distributed throughout. That is, their composition is uniform. Their composition is uniform. That is solution. Solution does not have. Solution does not have any clear boundaries. That is our homogeneous mixture. Here the constituents cannot be seen by naked eye. We can see the constituents of homogeneous mixture by naked eye or under a microscope. Examples, if we take examples of homogeneous mixture, that is like sugar in water, salt in water, etc. Suppose there is a beaker of water. This is our water. If we place sugar here, as we know, sugar gets dissolved. So it will become like uniformly distributed. They do not have any visible boundaries. Same in case of, that is, salt in water. So this is our homogeneous mixture. Now we will talk about our heterogeneous mixture. What is our heterogeneous mixture? Just opposite of homogeneous mixture. One thing you have to remember, that is homogeneous mixture is regarded as solution, or we can regard it as true solution. Next one is our topic is, its type is heterogeneous mixture. Just opposite of homogeneous mixture. What is a heterogeneous mixture? A mixture that, or we can write it as a mixture in which the constituents does not have uniform composition, throughout. That is they have clearly visible boundaries. And their particles or their constituents can be seen with naked eye, or under microscope. If we take example like sand in water, or oil in water, etc. If you like take some sand, put it in the water, that you can clearly visible that all the sand just gathered at the bottom of the glass, or the bottom of the water. And if you place like oil in water, there should be a separable boundary. That is separable boundary. Like if here is water, and then a layer of oil that will be deposited on the top, top of the water. As we know, that is oil is that is the density of oil is less than density of water. And if we put like there is a water and sand particles get settled down at bottom. So there is a visible boundary. There is a visible boundary, but in case of homogeneous mixture, there is not such a visible boundary. There is not such a visible boundary. So this is our topic, that is mixture, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. So I ask you to like pause my video and make difference by yourself in the homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. So pause my video and draw the differences between homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture as all the main points I have noted here. So you can draw the points of difference from that. So pause my video and draw the difference. Okay. So I hope that you have written the difference between homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. So we will discuss here, that is difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. Difference between homogeneous difference between homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. So we will discuss differences one by one. We will discuss the differences one by one. So first one is homogeneous mixture. What was homogeneous mixture? Which have the constants which have uniform composition throughout. The constituents have uniform composition throughout. That have uniform composition throughout, and it doesn't have uniform composition. Here are no distinguishable boundaries. Or we can write it as no separation of boundaries is there. No separation of boundaries is there. And here are separate, or we can say that clear boundaries are there. Their constituent particles cannot be seen with naked eye, or under microscope, and their constituent particles their constituent particles can be seen with naked eye, or under microscope, Fourth one example is like homogeneous mixture example is sand in water. Oh, like sugar in water, salt in water. And here examples are like, that is sand in water, sand in water, like oil in water, oil in water. So this was all about our today's topic, that is mixture. What is mixture and its classification, that is homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture is also regarded as true solution. True solution, it is also regarded as, it is also, you can also make the major fifth difference, that is it is regarded as true solution. It is regarded as true solution, and they can be classified as colloids, suspension, colloids, suspension. So this is all about our today's topic, that is what is mixture and its types, and also the difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. So this is all about our today's topic. So I hope that you like my videos. If you have any doubts still, you can comment in the comment box section. Please share it with your friends, that they can also get the benefits of our videos, and they also can get good marks in their exams. So this is all about our today's topic. Thank you very much, students, for watching my video. So thank you very